Hi there, students. Clergy. Clergy. Okay, this is a noun. I guess it's a countable noun. But notice we also use it as a collective noun. I'll explain in a minute. Okay, the clergy is or are the group of people who are recognized as the religious leaders, the spiritual leaders of a religious community. These are the people who've been officially made the priests or the people in charge, the people who conduct rituals. This is the clergy. Yeah, so in English you can have a clergyman or a clergywoman. This is another word for a priest. Yeah, members of the clergies of the Muslim faith, of the Buddhist faith, of the Sikh faith met with Christian clergy and Jewish clergy for an international conference. Okay, so the clergy, these are the religious leaders, the people who've been the official religious leaders for religious activities among a particular group of believers. So priesthood, the ministry, yeah, a clergyman, a clergywoman. So notice the clergy. This is used as a collective noun. So the clergy is or the clergy are. I think you can use both. Yeah, my family is, my family are. My football team is, my football team are. I think the clergy is, you're looking at it as one group. The clergy are, you're looking at the individuals in the group. So is or are, both are possible. Okay, so clergy, the religious leaders of a religious group, the priests, the people who are trained, yeah, and ordained or certified or officially recognized as the people who guide a certain faith. Yeah, I guess a cleric. Yeah, a cleric would be another word for a clergyman or the member of the clergy. Yeah. Okay, so the clergy. Yeah, the priesthood, the men of the church, men of the cloth. Okay, people who've taken holy order. Yeah, I think during the Russian Revolution, the Bolsheviks imprisoned the clergy. Yeah, okay, the priesthood, all of the priests against religion. So clergy are the official religious representatives of a particular religion. Let's see, formality, the clergy. I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I say use it anywhere. A little bit on the more formal side. I might just say the church or the religious people, the religious representatives. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin, from clericus, yeah, which itself comes from clerikos, okay, which in ancient Greek meant to draw lots, and there were normally people who were in charge of this. They were officials or officers who were who obtained their position by drawing lots, yeah, not by election. So I guess that's the idea. I think this Latin word clericus talks about a priest or a clergyman, but the Greek goes further, is something that is allotted. Yeah, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Clergy, the clergy.